Hey you guys, so it is raining today and I figured the best place for me to go to would be to the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys would like to come in with me and see what they may have put out. Okay, so walking in, the first thing I see is they put the weekly deal would be these candies, which they have already been here, but I like the way they displayed those. And then I see extra flowers out here in the front. Okay, let's see what these are. Oh, these are some cute headbands. Look at that, little flowers. And they got that pink, this darker pink. Oh, look at that purple. And then they got the blue. Those are super cute. They got some windmills up here, spring, summer. They haven't really put out anything new as far as like Valentine's Day stuff. Oh, these are new, but I normally just bypass this area because, you know, I think all the stores get the same kind of stuff and they have a bunch of it. So I usually just pass this up unless something jumps out at me. They're putting all the little balloons out. Okay, so let me get to the other parts of the store. Over here by the garden stuff, they have these like gift sacks, and I know I haven't seen these before. Those are cute. Let's see, I think they have another pattern. This one. Well, these would be cute to use in crafts like that. And you get 10 bags inside of there. And then they also have the baking cups to match them, so you have that one basically to match the bags. And you get 35 in each pack. So over here by the candles, they usually pull these out like these cute little candles, the rose collection, but they usually will just have new sayings on the front. Like this is new, this is cute, get lost in this world. The jars are cute even though they don't really smell to me. And then this one is think happy thoughts. But if you want to use the jar for something else, those are cute. Over here in the teacher section, they have some cute shaped decor sheets. Look at that, you got 36 of them in there. These would be cute to just write little notes on the front and give those to a friend or something. I'm thinking about getting these. I'm not sure, but then I also see the little cactus right here. I thought those were cute. And then there's a balloon. There's a few different ones. There's a rocket ship. And a tree. See something else, but I don't know what that is. Oh, look, a llama. Look at that. So you can use these to write notes on if you like, but I really just like that taco. Okay, so I see some new scarves, and they actually match the bags that we just saw, the treat bags and the cupcake liners. So you got this really pretty blue and green, and then you got the pink one. Really pretty floral prints down here. Okay, those were regular scarves. These are infinity scarves. So you have like this blue and black paisley pattern, and that's all I see right there. But over here they have this floral pattern, and these are infinity. Oh, look at this one, that's kind of cute. Let's see, and I think that's it for the infinity scarves, but down here they still have some of the regular scarves in black, blue, and red. And I see this bag, that's cute. Keep life simple. So they got some new little bags. And then these tote bags with the plaid, or the stripes I should say, in blue and green. And then here's another scarf. Kind of looks like the same colors as this one over here, but it's just like, looks like watercolor, or I don't know, but that's cute. And then this one, I really like this one. Look at that. That's pretty. So I guess that's the pattern they're working with spring, because now here are some little wristlet bags in the same pattern. This one looks like that pretty scarf. I like that. And then they have these stripes. And the blue floral. Oh, this one was just sticking in there, so I'll have to put that back. And then here's this pattern like this. And some new lanyards too. Well, these don't look new, but they got different colors. I like this one. I remember this one, I think, from last year with all the food on them. Okay, so over here I see some more Revos. This is tropical coconut, but look behind that. Here is some cute little Pepsi wild cherry lip balms. So I see that one. I see the Mountain Dew. And then up here, is that the same? Yeah, it's still wild cherry Pepsi. And then I see some cute little headbands. Look at that. I like that color combination with the pink and the like teal color. And then underneath it, I see the purple and the yellow. Those are really cute. So over here, you guys, they have the garland that looks like this. Really, really pretty. You can use that for all kinds of stuff. And they have different ones, different styles of plants. Really cute. All of this, and then they have all this greenery that they're bringing out for spring, and these are like on like sticks like that. And then down here, my store is putting out all of the clips, the succulents that come on the clips like this, and they have all kinds of different ones. Lord knows I get so weak when I see those and I want to buy them, even though I have a whole bunch of them. And then here's the little potted ones like that, different color pots. And here's some of the, look at this one. I don't remember seeing that one. The purple, that's pretty. And then down here they have the succulent picks. So if you are looking to do some crafting for spring with succulents, this is the perfect time to get them if your store gets them. I see a few new ones that wasn't here last year like that. That's pretty. And they all have those things on, like a pick on the end. Here's the potted lavender, cute little faux lavender. And then over here they have these back out like that. And then they have these with the orange top and the pink. Let's see, more of these clear bowls. And here's some of the terrariums. I came to check out the toy section and I see this. I've never seen that. That looks kind of cool. It's called Blizzard Blast Instant Snow. Changes in an instant. Looks and feels like real snow. Makes mounds of snow. Just add water. I'm tempted to get this, but I'm scared it's going to make a mess. But I think I'm going to try it. Oh, in a separate area, I spotted some more bags. Look at that. You Are Always Loved with the pretty floral pattern. And those are pretty. And then those are the ones I showed you hanging up already. But this one is cute. Oh, they brought back the baby washcloths, and you get 4 of them in a pack like this. There's the girl ones. They have them in gray and white. And then they also have blue with the cute little turtle on it. Oh, here's a new cup I've never seen before. It says wake up and smell the coffee. I like the colors on that. That's kind of cute. This one says I love you more than coffee, but not always before coffee. That's nice. A hot fresh coffee is the best way to start the day, and coffee makes everything possible. Out of all of these, I really like the colors on that one. Now, I think I've seen this one before too. You can call me Queen Bee. Yeah, I think they had this one before, but it's still cute. Here's some of the spring fling stuff to match those patterns again. There's towels, pot holders, the little oven mitts right here I meant, pot holders, all the same patterns, and then some of the glassware. Those are really pretty. They also have placemats like that to match everything, and these kind of cups. Okay, I had to come and get some of these because we love these, the wild cherry, but we really prefer these right here, the blue raspberry. Sometimes I like to get the Italian ice, or the high C, but today I definitely will be getting some of the blue raspberry and the wild cherry. Okay, you guys, so that is it. I'm in the back of the store. I am going, what is this? I don't know, some kind of towel. I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.